Hey guys, welcome to sunny Bermuda. Today's 3rd of April. We are starting to green up a little bit. I just got a mow in yesterday. I cut it down to probably 3/4 of an inch with my Alec Kensington. I brushed it and then came back with the real mower. So today I'm going to put down a fertilizer to kind of kickstart my season. Haven't put down any fertilizer yet, but I'm going to put down a balanced fertilizer. It's a 10-10-10. Basically just reset the yard. So let's head to the garage and I'll show you exactly what I'm putting down. Here we are guys, back at the garage, and you've probably seen me use this product before. This is a 10-10-10 fertilizer, so it's basically a balanced fertilizer. You got 10 across the board, your NPK ratio, 10% nitrogen, 10% phosphorus, and 10% potassium. And you read down through here, one interesting thing I'd like to point out, it says directions for use. Right here at the very bottom it says apply only as directed during the growing season. Do not apply more than 2 times a year. So I've got 2 bags for the front yard, so I'm going to go ahead and put one bag now, and I might go put bag down in 2 to 3 weeks and finish off this PGF Balanced product, and that will meet my twice per year. And then I'll probably flip over to a Green Trax, which is an 1804 ratio, NPK ratio. So let's crack this bag open and I'll show you one of the reasons why I really like this product. Alright guys, what I really like about this product is its small prill size. Look at how small it is. It's almost like sand. It's extremely small, so it really goes down good. It'll drop down into the canopy below the grass blades. It won't sit on top of the turf and get sucked back in next time you real mow if it hadn't dissolved yet. So really it'll get down and get in contact with the soil and dissolve once the rain hits it, or the water if you have a sprinkler system. I mean, one other note is this is not DG particles. I mean, you can take this and put water on it. Like I did a little experiment. I took a water bottle and sprayed it just to see if it dissolved. And it's not DG particles, and it doesn't say anywhere on here that this is DG particles. But it's basically like your standard fertilizer. It's just a really small prill size. So once you get it down, it'll take a little while for it to dissolve as it rains or as you put the sprinkler system on it. But now let's take this to the front yard and get it down. Alright guys, a couple of quick notes. That 18-pound bag of PGF Balanced, the 10-10-10, covers 5,000 square feet. I've got 4,300 square feet, so I put it down a little heavy, not much, but I did get it all put down. As you can see, my hopper is empty, and my settings on this Impro is very similar to a Let's Go. I put it on 11, so 11 it allowed me to go up and down this way in one pass. I normally like to set my spreader lower, that way I can do one pass this way and then pass this way, but I got it all down in one single pass, and it emptied the hopper completely. So it came out just perfect. So now we're just going to rain on some rain. Rain will be here probably Tuesday, today Sunday, so we have Monday for the dew to hit it and help it dissolve, and then Tuesday it'll rain. It's supposed to have a good steady rain, so it'll come down, water it in real good for my first application of fertilizer. So guys, hope you enjoyed this really quick episode. I will see you in the next one. Be sure to hit that like button and make sure you subscribe, and we will see you in the yard next time. Hope you have a great day.